Good afternoon, parents and scholars. This video is to show you how to locate your scholars' vocabulary and spelling practice for the next week. Under the home page, there is a module that says Homework Week 4. There is a link for the Google Slides and also a link for the instructions. I want to click on the instructions first. Before your scholar starts, have him make a copy for himself. You go to File, Make a Copy, and then click on Make a Copy. Your scholar will have a test over the following vocabulary words next Thursday, the 15th, and next Friday, the 16th, depending on what day I have him on. Your scholar is expected to define the following vocabulary words using the Google Slides that's shared with you. I'll show you how to find that. Again, it's located under Homework Week 4 module. The vocabulary words have already been defined for your scholar for this week to ensure that they have the correct definition and that they are studying the correct definitions. But I'm still holding them responsible for creating their own sentences using the appropriate vocabulary word and definition. These are the vocabulary words: agile, despair, dismay, falsify, resign, gaunt, and vile. You continue to scroll down on the same Google Docs. You'll see the spelling words that I want your scholar to practice as you see fit to help them prepare for their test next week. The spelling words are withdrawn, significance, muster, dignity, and eavesdrop. I'm going to go back to the instructions and locate the Google Slides. On this Google slide, your scholar's going to make another copy for themselves, File, Make a Copy, Entire Presentation, and then make a copy again. Click on that button that says Make a Copy. Now that your scholar is on his own copy of this, he's going to go to the first slide, read the vocabulary word, the definition, and then make his own sentence using the word. He can use the past, present, or future tense of the word. So he can say, I was in dismay when I walked into Mrs. Lee's classroom, or something of that nature. So it doesn't have to be the present tense. They also can use the past tense if they need to, depending on what type of sentence they are creating. So your scholar is expected to make sentences using the word for each vocabulary word. Again, the definitions have already been provided, the part of speech as well. Moving forward, they will begin to define these words on their own. But I did, since it is their first vocabulary and spelling test, I did want to provide them with the correct definitions. So if you have any further questions, please feel free to email me. I do not mind responding to you. I'm looking forward to partnering with you and your family to ensure the success of all of our scholars. And I'm looking forward to seeing great results based on this first vocabulary and spelling test. Thank you. Have a great day.